What is affiliate marketing? In this video, I will explain what is affiliate marketing so that you can understand what is affiliate marketing and how to do affiliate marketing as well. So to understand affiliate marketing, we need to understand the four persons who are involved in this affiliate marketing. First thing is the merchant. Merchant means the business person who is doing the business or who is selling his products on internet. So first thing is merchant, and second person is the affiliate, who is he can be blogger, he can be YouTuber as well like me, and he can be content creator or any other person, okay, affiliate. And third person is the customer. Customer means internet visitor who watches these people content and who purchases. That person is the customer. First I will explain about these three parties, and then I will explain you the fourth person. Okay, let's say Amazon is the very big e-commerce website, and so you can join as an affiliate. If you want to do affiliate marketing, first of all you need to sign up, you need to register as a affiliate in their portal, affiliate portal, and after registering, this merchant, this business people will give you the special links to the affiliates to promote their products and services. Let's say assume that I am a digital marketer, or assume that you are a digital marketer. You can promote digital marketing books from Amazon. Okay, there are many other digital marketing books are available on Amazon. You can check that links. You can check those books, and you can promote those books by creating the videos or by writing the articles. So when you are promoting, so people will come to your, people will watch your videos, and people will read your articles and watch your videos. To buy those books, they will be clicking on the links which you provided. Okay, whenever they click on your affiliate links, and if they buy, you will receive certain amount of commission, certain percentage of the commission. Let's say the product value is 100 rupees and the affiliate commission for that particular product is 10%. In this case, you will receive 10 rupees in your account. Okay, so this is what happens. The merchant, you need to understand the merchant part, and as an affiliate means the content creator, or he can be blogger or YouTuber as well, who creates content to promote the merchant's products. Okay, merchant will give you the unique links. Actually, those are the unique links for you. So by those unique links only, merchant will come to know how this sale happened, from which person, so from which person or from which affiliate this sale happened, and that is how merchant will credit certain money in your account. So these are the three parties. Hope you understood the merchant part and the customer part and the affiliate part, affiliate as well. So companies like Amazon, they will have their own affiliate marketing system. Okay, they can easily manage affiliates and the customers as well, to tracking, to giving the money and everything. They can manage. They have their own system, but most of the businesses, they are not having their own affiliate tracking system. At that time, these businesses will depend on the networks. There are separate networks as well. So merchant need not to create a separate website, and merchant need not to onboard them and everything. So at that time, they go to the networks. Networks are many. Say, I am giving you the few names now. One thing is CJ, which we call it as a commission junction. Other thing is V Commission in India. Even Impact Radius is also one affiliate network in India. There are other networks as well across the globe and India. So there you have to register as an affiliate. Okay. So there, if you want to do affiliate marketing, there you have to register, and even many businesses will register with that particular affiliate network as well. Let's say if you want to promote a Canva tool. If you want to become a Canva affiliate marketer, then you have to sign up for the Impact Radius account. There you have to apply. There you have to apply for the Canva to do Canva affiliate marketing, and then this Canva people will approve your account. Okay, whenever they approve, they may disapprove also. When they approve, then you can start promoting Canva as well. So that is how it happens. So So there in this affiliate network, this network will manage the affiliates as well and the merchants as well. So okay, so that is how it happens. Hope you understood the 4 parties which are involved in the affiliate marketing. To do affiliate marketing, you had to start a Instagram account, or it can be like blog, or you can start with YouTube channel also, and you have to create content, and that is how you promote. But I highly recommend you to start a niche YouTube channel or niche blog, or it can be like even for the Instagram account also, start creating one content around only one niche or 2 niches. I am recommending one niche only, so that you can promote that particular niche products only, and that is how you will be earning money. But even to earn money through affiliate marketing also, first of all you need to build certain audience, and then you can recommend products to your target audience, your subscribers or your followers. If you are having any doubts related to affiliate marketing, then you can leave in the comment section. I will check and reply. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is my new YouTube channel. I am requesting you to subscribe and support me, and do share this video with your fellow digital marketers and aspiring affiliate marketers as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.